not that complicated. You can manage with that.
Ends and objectives, work culture, staff list, work society, annual working calendar. एनुअल वर्किंग कैलेंडर 31 से हमारे जैसे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एकेडमिक कैलेंडर होता है वैसे हमने एकेडमिक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कैलेंडर बनाया अचीवमेंट्स बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस फ्यूचर एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव टू गाइड द स्टूडेंट्स फॉर यूनिवर्सिटी वर्क्स to help students to avail student welfare and government to help students for examination work, facilitate students in their needs to different agencies, to assist staff for their service record and salaries, to keep proper record of establishment and students. Work culture. Students are godly to us and we are bound to solve their every problem. Quality, honesty, politeness, transparency and rule following are the basic practices of our day-to-day functioning. We believe that every work should be done perfectly. Our work is always time-bound. With our documents, we ensure that we will not waste governments, universities, or any officials' time. We staff members believe in working as a family member. Flow chart. ठीक है ऐसा वर्क असाइंड है सुपरविजन एस्टैब्लिशमेंट वर्क एप्लीकेशन एलसी वर्क अपॉइंटमेंट रिलेटेड वर्क प्रिलिम्स मीटिंग रोस्टर ग्रांड प्रपोजल स्टाफ स्पेसिफिकेशन इम्प्लीमेंट स्कीम टू अपडेट सर्विस बुक्स ऐसे और एमआईएस प्रिंटेड वर्क्स एडमिशन स्टाफ सैलरी जीपीएफ वर्क अकाउंट्स ऑडिट प्रिपेयर बजट टू अपडेट सर्विस बुक्स फॉर फाइनेंशियल एंट्रीज सीनियर स्कॉलरशिप्स enrollment, UPC and other concessions. Junior clerk 1, inward outward, admission register, summer examination work, environment examination, living certificate, bona fides, railway bus concession, mark list and to supply stationery.
This examination you will be conducting or what? Why it is? Why? Summer examination, environment examination. What the junior clerk is to do?
Student related work, sir. Application fees to collect and to submit in university. In the university.
Collecting of fees.
Yes.
Not to conduct the examination.
No. Junior clerk, UGC accounts, ATKT examination work, daily fee register, CHB approvals, annual report, employment office reports, decision information.
How many CHB you have in the college? How many total? Total CHB.
25 stages.
50 proper 50 by sub 50.
Granted 25.
Huh?
Granted on aided 25 block hour basis.
Yes. Government teaches 25.
Yeah, that we know. I am talking about CHB.
That's 50.
CHB also 25.
50, no?
25 on aided and 25 on non-aided. Then
like
50
that.
sir. Total 50. Total block hour basis 50.
Okay, total 50. Right.
सर ये एनुअल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव वर्किंग कैलेंडर है जो मंथ वाइज पहले से ये मंथ वाइज है मंथ ऑफ जून इसकी हम हर महीने में रिव्यू की मीटिंग लेते हैं और उनको जैसे मंथ ऑफ जून फॉर एग्जाम्पल एडमिशन प्रोसीजर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ रिजल्ट शीट्स एंड पीसी प्रोवाइड इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ रिजल्ट सबमिशन ऑफ एलएमसी रिपोर्ट टू द यूनिवर्सिटी कलेक्ट द फॉर्म्स ऑफ डेडिकेटेड स्टूडेंट अपडेट डेली फी रजिस्टर सबमिट द मंथली सैलरी बिल टू जेडी ऑफिस अदर ऑफिशियल वर्क मंथ ऑफ जुलाई submission of exam forms of educated students along with fee in the university. Admission procedure, student enrollment works, starting scholarship procedure, distribution of result sheets and PC, submission of staff report to the employment office, submission of audit report to the JD office, submit the monthly salary bill to JD office, other office work. Month of August. Admission procedure continued. Submission of admission for enrollment to the university. Program of 1st August. Update daily fee register, submit monthly salary bill to JD office, submit proposals of CHB for approvals. Month of September, admission procedure continue, update daily fee register, submit monthly salary bill to JD office to make slips of exam fees, distribution of hall tickets for winter exam.
The admission procedure continues till September.
Yes.
The class 6 is suffer. Closed admissions.
करीबन वर्क है फर्स्ट वीक तक एडमिशन करना एज पर यूनिवर्सिटी बोर्ड। मंथ ऑफ नवंबर एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म फिलिंग रेगुलर स्टूडेंट्स, प्रोसीजर ऑफ एग्जाम फॉर एडुकेटेड स्टूडेंट्स, अपडेटिंग ऑफ सर्विस बुक्स, अपडेट डेली फी रजिस्टर, कॉलेज टेस्ट एग्जाम वर्क, सबमिट मंथली सैलरी बिल टू जेडी ऑफिस, अदर सैलरी, submission of exam marks of educated student along with fee in the university, update new session admission register, submission of summer exam documents along with fee in the university, update daily fee register, submit monthly salary bill to JD office. Month of January, submission of M cards in university, checking and submission of edit list to the university. What is M card? M card is an exam form में M card machine card बोलते हैं university में. Submission of staff report to the employment office, update daily fee register, submit monthly salary bill to JD office, other official work. Month of February, service book updating, college test examination works, update daily fee register, submit monthly salary bill to JD office. Month of
आप करते ही
student clearance work, financial care closing works, update daily fee register, submit monthly salary bill to JD office, examination card distribution work, submission of second and third year student marks statement to the university. Month of April, process of environmental science exam work, stock checking, market making budget for next session, updating service books, submission of documents for accounts to CA, clearance process continues, update daily fee register, submit monthly salary bill to JD office, submission of staff report to employment office, submission of exam
आपका बजट कब पास होता है?
budget
बजट एलएमसी को लेके
उससे
LMC कब पास होता है? मार्च में होता है।
नहीं मार्च के पहले
मार्च के पहले हो जाता है।
हाँ जी
तो ये आपने मेकिंग बजट फॉर नेक्स्ट सेशन
नहीं वो उससे अगले साल
उसके अगले साल
हाँ
बट तो दिसंबर तक आता रहेगा प्रपोजल आपके पास।
नहीं अरे उसकी हम तैयारी शुरू कर देते हैं और वो अगले जनवरी तक
जनवरी
मार्च
तक तो
में।
आपके डिपार्टमेंट से प्रपोजल आते रहते होंगे ना।
हाँ हाँ जनवरी बराबर
तभी बोलो कि टू अर्ली नो आप अप्रैल में शुरू कर देते हैं काम ये आपको
नहीं,
करना चाहिए।
सब काम मतलब अपने प्रपोजल डिमांड करना उनको कलेक्शन करना month of May, submission of answer sheets and other documents of environment exam, new session working for prospectus of new session, procedure about students following exam of university, working for audit to the internal CA, submit monthly salary.
ये नहीं आप बोलते ना हर महीने।
हाँ
ये वाला काम आप बोलते नहीं हर महीने।
नहीं नहीं सर
उसकी डेट ही नहीं है।
वो तो हम भी नहीं बोलेंगे वो चिंता होती है।
So our achievements, our following two employees are honored by two advance increments by the government of Maharashtra as per the Civil Services Rule 1984 rule from the 1st October 2008 for the best performance. Amit Vasan Agrawal, Gajanand Dhunge, Mr. Krishna Sagar. Then Mr. Praful Ashok Bhuje, Lab Attendant, Joint Director, Air Education. Amravati, appointed Master Trainer for STA Seva, Electronic System of Monthly Salary for Applied Students. Our best practices, all the payments are done by account by checks. All kind of fees are accepted through bank only. We pay all the taxes timely. Fees are strictly utilized under the heads for which they are charged. Non-teaching staff actively participate in large numbers in co-curricular programs in the college. No recovery has been claimed until now and we like to continue the same.
We have a bank counter here. Bank counter here. We have a bank counter in the campus.
नहीं,
ब्रांच है ना जी।
branch है यहाँ से, अपोलो आर्मन में।
पांचवे गेट पे।
How far is it? How far?
वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस।
Walking distance
200 meter.
2 minutes. Sir, our future plans to develop paperless office and to execute all works through MIS, to enhance top quality in working, training programs for staff members, to develop different skills for improvement work culture, motivational programs for healthcare of staff. Teamwork is the key of success.
Thank you. Very good presentation. You sit down, please. We will talk to you for 5 minutes.
Yes,
Sure. Sit down. total how many non-teaching employees are there? Total how many?
Sir, 15 on granted.
15 granted
Granted.
and clock hour
Eight on
Non-aided courses.
non-aided 2. Total 17.
No, 8 sir. 15 plus 8. 15 plus 8.
So, what kind of welfare scheme you have? Maybe you have transition.
The welfare scheme is a medical scheme.
Yeah.
State government.
State government से medical reimbursement है.
And any other?
Stock के लिए medical.
Only one.
Suppose some of you become ill, so you need some money. Will the college give? No. No penalty. On loan basis like that.
आपके मेडिकल एक्सपेंसेस के लिए
State government is
स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की
ये हमने start किया sir. In advance.
leave है बहुत सारे लोगों को.
But for non-aided personnel, what will happen? No benefit. So that is a problem. And all of you are computer trained?
Yes sir. Yes. Okay. Sir, actually, at the last night I was under graduate. Today I am MA.
Okay.
In this
So you have improved your qualification.
Yes sir.
And the authority has allowed you.
Yes.
So there is, you don't have any transfer in your job, one college to another college, can you go there?
Yes.
You can.
Yes. Yes.
Transfer में
नहीं ट्रांसफर है ये स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के लिए हम जा सकते हैं.
With higher position, you can always go.
Yes.
So suppose you have a son.
Yes, getting a new job somewhere.
Getting it.
I'm asking about suppose you have a son and he cannot admit here due to some marks stipulation. So for the employee's son, is there any benefit like that? You understand what I am saying?
Yes.
Employee's son benefit to the college. Have you got that kind of facility?
Some seats are reserved or you get some kind of fees benefit. आपको कोई फीस में कंसेशन मिलता है?
नहीं
No sir.
Every student who applies have to be taken care.
Yeah, even 35% get admission. Thing is, if they take admission, then any kind of fee concession.
Yeah, fee concession is there for the employee's son?
No sir.
No benefit.
No.
But फिर भी स्कीम तो होनी चाहिए ना. It's everywhere.
They are young today, but someday this person will arrive. So we want to know that they are young.
Yes sir.
So how is your relation with teachers and principal? How is the relationship?
Very nice sir. As a family member.
Just like that.
Yes sir.
And from the students?
Very nice sir. As a godly.
Now you look them like your brother, sister or son, brother. But how do they look you? They also look like that?
Yes. We also realize.
Any other thing?
We are not complaining about the teachers. We are not complaining about the teachers because we look at the salary structure. No? They are having a flat salary and salary distribution compared to usual.
Such is not the case. We are all family members. So sometimes we are elder brother, they are junior, sometimes they are elder. That is combination is there.
Any other thing? Thank you all. We are very happy to interact with you.